Professor, my final request,
yes.
I want to be your son. Thank you so much.
So be blessed.
Amen.
And welcome. When we create these things,
yes.
we are saying,
yes.
you are the ones who are going to make them work.
Thank you so much.
Make them work.
Yes.
Make them work in the knowledge that what you do will be useful to humanity.
Yes.
Make them work in the knowledge that when we plant the seed,
yes.
the seed must be watered, the seed must be pruned,
yes.
and ultimately the tree will grow, and ultimately
yes.
under the shade of that tree, we will have comfort.
Yes.
The saying Kiswahili, mchumia juani,
hulia
kivulini, mgaga na upwa, hali wali mkavu.
Thank you so much, Professor. Asante sana. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Take it off.
Oh, we should take it off?
Yeah, this is highlight.
Oh, it's highlight.
Yeah.
Good.
They, and I brought it to you highlight honey as well.
Ah, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is the journey to One Africa.